Shot. Tech
Lamotte.
War takes it up the court.
This is a very Mark Cuban light game. We haven't seen him at all.
Passes to Lamar. Lamar's rejected!
That's why.
Ramon Sessions. Oh, head on! It's a bottom lip! Flips it right in the hoop!
You have to make up like
Licking lips splitting that winning! The War. Passes to Dirk. Dirk off the quick shot and it's gone! Those are for amazing plays. Kobe back out to Sessions.
Sessions.
To his end, passes to Powell.
Good
Powell,
shot.
Gasol,
Powell,
the
Gasol.
little wing bowl, jumping and bouncing his way home. Oh, just like the story of Hansel and Gretel making their way home. The shot and it's gone.
That tone was
We're
funny.
going back and forth, shot for shot, match for match. Lamont Sessions takes it up the court. Flips to Pau Gasol, who takes it.
Gasol with the shot.
Oh!
Now, if you didn't see that, can't even.
What? They jump out. Pass to Dirk. Dirk to Reward. And it's out of bounds. It is going to the Mavericks.
Zanzibar.
Sassafras?
Zanzibar.
Let's take a replay.
I've been to Zanzibar before. Have you been to Zanzibar?
Bang.
It's a beautiful, beautiful place to get tea.
Oh, War for three. Oh, it's an air ball. He airballed. Air ball. Lamont Sessions. Sessions to Kobe.
The Bry.
Black Mamba with the spin and turn and shoot. Oh my god! Looney sneaking pie in my eye! That was amazing!
What the?
Terry! 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 Passes to Dirk! He passes it in for the monster jam! Oh!
I think that's Lorenzo Wright.
It doesn't matter who dunked it! 2 points for Dallas, that's a lead! Sessions takes it up slowly, runs down the last couple seconds of the clock. Passes to Kobe! Tipped around to Sessions! He loses it! He takes a pass to Kobe! And Kobe doesn't do anything with it.